Hello guys, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday November 20th 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic number 1, a tectonic number 2 with 4 stars, binary number 1 and binary number 2, so total of 8 extra Sudokus. And the first one will be a Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be a number 1912. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me focus. This one has 25. Yes, 25 extra 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm right or wrong. So let's get started. I see a 7 in this row, a 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for a 7 should be there. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We see here 3 and a 5 in this row, the second row. So no 3 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 goes here and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now. 8 in this row. 8 in the third row, so on the row between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Let me see. 492. 492. No. We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And look, we have a pair, 1 and a 2 in this row, 1 and a 2 in the row below. So in the third row, the 1 and the 2 goes in these 3 boxes. We see here 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. So we have a pair, 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, 5. 9. All right. Let me see. Three in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. In het nieuwe seizoen van DNA nemen we door middel van een DNA 7 we see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 in this big square should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Then no, I cannot fill this here. Need to wait. 6, 6. Okay, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see which number I can pick. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and the 8 in this column, so no 5 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square for the numbers, and 9 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers are missing in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 4, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. No. How about those 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 9 and 2? We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. We have here 9, 4, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 9. 3, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and look, we have a 3 and a 5 here in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those. So 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. Let me mark those for you. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing, and the last 2 numbers in this big square, the 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! This one is very quick to solve. This 3 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.